Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sharon Ravenberg and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I did a one palette, two looks. This is what I came up with. It's with the Juviasplace Wahala 2 palette, and I just put my hands on it. It was on sale for $17, so I got it, and these are the shades. They are very beautiful. Tell me in the comment section which eye you like the best, and I will tell you which one is mine. Also in the comment, I will pin a comment and tell you guys which one is my favorite. With that being said, today I focused only on the face because I didn't want to bore you guys. Today I focused mainly on the eyes, so I didn't really do my whole face routine on camera. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hey, how are you? How you doing? Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So first I will start off by applying my base, and I use the Plouise base in Rumour 2. And first I'm going in with that dark brown shade, and I'm gonna apply it on the outer corners. After that I'm going in with the pink, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. And the brown one I'm just using in the outer corner and blending it out a little bit, and then going in with the pink. When I will go in with the pink, I will use that to blend out the brown, the edges of the brown, and what is left on the brush I will bring into the inner part of my crease. And also, while blending these two shades out, you will have to go back and forth between these two shades, because you have to blend it into a seamless blend. And you will see me go in with the brown and then again with the pink, and after that I am applying the multi-chrome shade on the lid. Guys, this shade is everything. It shifts beautifully. It shifts into purple, then green, and then a kind of goldish. It's beautiful. And in my inner corner I'm using the kind of white gold shade, and that makes it bomb. It makes it more beautiful. After that I'm going in with, on the other eye, I'm going in with the dark blue shade, one of the dark blue shades, and I'm pressing it into the outer corner as well. And after that I'm going in with the light teal shade, and I'm gonna use that as my transition. And as I did on the first eye, I'm gonna do the same, like blend it out, and then what's left on the brush I will bring in to my inner crease part. And like I already mentioned, please go back and forth between your shades so you can create a seamless blend, and take your time, have patience, and it will be worth it. Also, I'm gonna use it's a duochrome shade, a blue greenish tealish duochrome or multichrome. and I'm gonna apply that one on my lid. And as you can see, guys, I'm gagging. The shades are beautiful. That's why I love Juviasplace. And if you don't know, you know now. Juviasplace is my top favorite brand, and you see I'm very hyped. I'm hyped. And go ahead and blend everything together, and then I'm going in with a little bit of the dark brown shimmer and place that between the matte shade and the first shimmer shade I applied, so it can be more seamless. And on my inner corner, I'm going in with the silver shimmer, and on top of the lid, I'm going in with the glitter blue glitter. Girl, it's beautiful. So I am very happy how this look came out. Beautiful, gorgeous, and just how I wanted it. Now I applied my lashes, and then I'm gonna finish off the face, apply my bronzer. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the brown shade out of the Juviasplace Zulu palette, apply my blush. And this is the finished look, and as you can see, I really love it. It's very beautiful. I always wanted to do a one palette two eye look, so I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Until next time, bye.